Rusty from Northwest Houston has to have some sidewalk help.
He does, because there's a large oak tree root that's pushed up about 4 feet of his sidewalk.
That's a sidewalk.
It was. Once upon a time, before that tree moved over, it was a sidewalk.
Isn't that something?
That's some beautiful tree,
trees
too.
always win.
You bet. He says, I can get someone to remove the elevated parts, but then what do I do to replace it? He says, I thought, he says, about building something out of treated lumber that I could rework every few years, but I would hope there might be a better solution. Tom, what kind of idea do you have for Rusty?
The tree's going to win. Concrete will lose that battle. If you don't want concrete, I don't know if I'd do a deck. If you want to do a deck, you could. I would probably do something like some pavers or something of that nature, because as they get all crumbled up, you can pick them all up and then move them out a little bit farther as that tree keeps pushing them out.
That's
and keep reusing them. So it makes it easy. You can pick up sections of it, put it back down. It all matches, and it's on a sand and dirt bed to where it'll move around a little bit, and the tree won't. It'll just be easier, and you can keep moving it, because that tree's going to keep moving it. That's all there is to it.
Would you say when he buys those pavers, he may want to buy some extras, because as that thing moves out,
it'll get bigger and bigger.
It's going to need more and more, and you want to match them, right?
Yeah, if it depends, eventually. Maybe reroute the whole sidewalk somewhere else, or cut the tree down,
or wait for it to grow tall, like one of those those ones in California. You can drive through the tree.
You could put a tunnel
through the tree. Don't do that. Don't do
those
this.
Those are redwood trees.
We are joking. Don't do this. Okay. And sequoias.
One hurricane,
That's
that tree's. Oh,
that's
sequoias.
Right.
That's right.
Yeah, I'm going to see those in a couple of weeks. Going to Yosemite. We're going to go see the sequoias.
Tell you what, you stand up right next to one of those trees and look up. It puts life in perspective.
It sure does.
Some of
those trees are 2,000 years old. Unbelievable. But not this one. This tree is much younger, and so you're saying pavers is the way to go.
Yeah, if it was me, I'd take the tree down and I'd plant a tree somewhere else.
Never take a tree down. All right.
Oh, yeah.
I'm sorry. I'm a tree hugger.
Really?
I really am.
If I
hate to take a tree down.
If I built your home, I got to build it out of trees. Just remember that.
That's right. And I'm an animal lover, but I eat hamburgers.
Yeah,
okay, there
hamburgers. That's pretty much.
It's the paradox of life. All right, we'll answer your home improvement paradoxes, though. Send us your question at HomeShowRadio.com. Use the Ask Tom form. We'll answer it like these videos yonder, and subscribe to our channel, and we'll appreciate it. Click the bell.
Ding.
We'll ring yours when we post a new one.